productive day today. I thought I'd kind of do a little wrap-up video. Talk about what I got done today. All the pistons are in. I put that little flex plate flywheel, it's basically what you call an automatic flywheel, on there rather than my big old steel straight shift flywheel. Mostly because it's narrower and it fits on there, and it'll do fine for spinning this over. Once I get ready to crank it, I'll put the bigger flywheel on it. I just stuck this old timing chain on there just to hold that cam in place. And I spent some time working on the harmonic balancer. Turns out I had two of them here. This old black one was over there with that other 283. And it's been sleeved. You see right here? Somebody's put a sleeve on the outside of that. I saw one of these the other day where somebody was showing how they had one that had woggled all around and banged into stuff. But this one, all the bolts were good. I took me a tap and die set and I redid the bolt holes on it, and then I found me a pulley that would fit with that. I was a toss-up between using that harmonic balancer and this other one over here. And I would have had to re-tap at least one of the holes on that one, and if I was going to do one, I'd probably want to do all of them for balancing purposes. So I'm just going to try to go with that harmonic balancer right there. So I took all my screws and things and put them in a bucket and got them soaking, tried to get all the grease and dirt out of them. So right now I'm waiting on timing chain and my oil pump. Once that comes, I can put the timing chain on here, put the timing chain cover on here, you know, the oil pump, and then put the oil pan on there, and then oil filter over there, and then we'll flip it over and we'll put the heads on it. I've got an intake manifold and a carburetor already, and I went ahead and ordered me up a set of headers to go on it, and they're on the way. So yeah, we got things happening here. Oh, the joy. It's mighty good, mighty good. So I just wanted to give y'all a little ketchup. Hope you like ketchup with your hot dogs, because I just gave you some. And tomorrow's Sunday, so we may not even be out here tomorrow. Sometimes we don't work on the Lord's Day, but we'll see. Let's see, what else was I going to do? I think I was going to take a picture or something and shoot it down to Todd, but maybe I'll do that. Love y'all. Talk to you next time. Bye.